no doubt. Leave a nigga stale, tech, no cow. One hand, Odell, slime, snail, water, well, chain, can't melt. Glocks in the mail. We send oppositions to hell. These niggas, they snitches won't tell. Cause there is no hate on my shell.
greater access to nationally ranked specialists, advanced technologies, and life-saving clinical trials informed by a renowned academic medical center. Jefferson and LVHN, stronger than ever for the future of healthcare.
A new musical is setting Broadway on fire. Hell's Kitchen. The New York Times calls it thrilling, a must-see, and a critic's pick. It's the best singing you'll hear on Broadway, raves the New York Post. And the Amsterdam News cheers. It's a gorgeous experience that grabs you and keeps you amazed. See Broadway's hottest new musical from the legendary Alicia Keys. Hell's Kitchen. Tickets at hellskitchen.com. Carnegie Hall presents global icon and 5-time Grammy Award winner Angelique Kidjo, who returns to the iconic stage in celebration of her 40-year career to perform selections from her latest project, African Symphony, as well as other songs that have defined her career. November 2nd. Tickets and information at carnegiehall.org.
Girl, you fly and ghetto with them brand new high heels stilettos. Smell like weed and rose petals. Are you a rock star? Heavy metal. Well, I'm a pop star. Let's get together. Ice your neck up, check the weather. See a hot one like a pepper. And you fly, girl, shake your feathers. You in my world. What's on my mind is me got me feeling low. Instead of time on my $30,000 road. We gon' watch it shine, you already know it's gold. She hit my phone, but the place is early. I swear, watching me, I swear. Girl, you fly and ghetto with them brand new high stilettos. Smell like weed and rose petals. Are you a rock star? Heavy metal. Well, I'm a pop star. Let's get together. Ice your neck up, check the weather. See a hot one like a pepper. And you fly, girl, shake your feathers. You in my world. Better hold your horses. Don't spill your drink on my brand new horses. Eat big meals when you're on full courses. Keep up slick, you don't miss courses. Pop down, every toe, weapons and gold. And you don't hear nothing. I'm trying to put some bread on your goddamn muffin. I got you riled up, I'll be kissing and touching you. She likes all on the road. We can disappear in the wind like boom. Tough love cooking you up, I control you. Girl, you fly and ghetto with the brand new high heel stilettos. Smell like weed and rose petals. Are you a rock star? Heavy metal. Well, I'm a pop star. Let's get together. Ice your neck up, check the weather. See a hot one like a pepper. And you fly, girl, shake your feathers. You in my world. I got a pack, hit him and do it again. Fucking, I'm fucking a friend. I got bands, money, I'm flying to friends. Drinking till a nigga lean. You got a bid, know what I do to your mans. Know I ain't shooting their hands. Took an L like swing again. Crash and run, so I hop so big. It's crazy how they watch a young nigga go move. It's crazy worried about yourself, nigga, make a move. You steady watching all the winning niggas lose. I don't gotta prove. You steady watching all the winning niggas, you gon' lose. I don't never lose. Flying on my little pen, flying my dad in the pen. We in the bins, we gon' link up with the fam. Yeah, I'm talking at me, yeah. Buddy, I don't never lie. That chopper make a nigga dance. Versatile, I freelance. Fuck any bitch, nigga depends. Only with the shits if you a 10. Picking any bitch, yeah, I'm a man. If you want a feature, give me a grand. Dripping my body, I'm cool like